Hello Dr. Abhi, myself Ignesh. I'm gonna explain about my assignment 2 for web engineering course. So for this assignment I have made use of my assignment 1 code. Let me go ahead and run the web page. As you can see, the web page is displayed, the Google web page is displayed, and there is no error found. For this assignment I made a new CSS file, the style sheet CSS file, and I copied all the selectors which I used in the last assignment into that CSS file. Here I made use of the class to class selector and one ID selector and one type selector. As for the class selector class new one, I've used it in over here for the buttons, and for the class new I have made it used for the text box which is in green color. And for the hyperlink I have used the ID selector. You can see the color is changed and it's underlined, and the font is also changed. And for the last one, the type selector, I have used it in here. Over here I have made this one into a green color one. The CSS file is inverted to the web page, and then the classes and all the selectors are taken from there. So over here the ID is used for the ID selector. You can see that I have grouped it, and these are the ID selector. The ID is mentioned over here is same over there too. Then for the class selector I have used it over here, the second one and the first one over here. For the buttons and the text box over here. And for the last type selector I have used it over here, it in an angular braces. Thank you, doctor.